7434. Watch level looks really good. Definitely new stakes. Retired. Remove the excess mulch. One flat, the full color right here. Reset all the stone borders. Clean up and reset the bull rock. Reset the stone. 2 more flats of color. Refresh all the natural edge. Full color. We may need a new evergreen in there or a new plant. Continue to refresh the edging around it. Rake, turn. Add mulch. Add one more 5-gallon in there. In there. Close up to the leaves and shrubs. Manicure to free the space. Give it a nice shape. Edging. Refresh the bull rock by the AC unit. Probably add some fall color. Plant looks healthy. Reset the stone. Reset all the fall color. Straighten the stone where it's needed. Black star to be clean. May need to add another 3-gallon. Close to 4 flats. New stakes. Remove the excess mulch. We'll refresh the edging around the tree. Retie it. Same on this side, a nice refreshing to all the edge borders. Too flat to color.